Okay, so what we got here is an Audi Q7 2018, and now all installed with our brand new Digibox Pro system. So this allows you to get all your favorite apps and run full Android on your original car screen. So your car needs to have CarPlay or Android Auto wired on the system, and when you plug the system into it, it will launch up on the system on your screen. So as you can see, got the system on here is a full Android system. So you can use your original controller to navigate the system. You can download any app you want on the system as well, because it has support for the Google Play Store. And also you have Netflix and YouTube as well, so you can watch all your favorite movies on the go. So yeah, if you want our Digibox system installed on yours, come visit our Car Sound Security. Call us on 028 554 5554. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.